Today we're going to be doing third grade worksheet lesson 12. So let's start off by writing them out. For number one, we have a dime, a penny, 2 quarters, and a nickel. So we're going to write down the value of each coin above it. The dime is 10 cents or 0.1 of a dollar. The penny is 0.01, and the 2 quarters are 0.25 each. And the nickel is 5 cents or 0.05 of a dollar. When you add the 2 quarters up, you get 0.5 or 50 cents. And adding the nickel, dime, and penny, you'd get 0.16. Once you add those two up, that would be 0.66 or 66 cents. Number two, you have a dollar bill, 3 dimes, and a penny. The dollar bill is $1, and the 3 dimes are 0.1 each. And the penny is 0.01. So adding the 3 dimes together, you'd get 30 cents or 0.30. But then you also have a cent. So you would add that 1 cent right there. But then since we have a dollar, we have to change this 0.31 to 1.31. That's the answer for number two. Number three, we have $2, 2 dimes, 1 quarter, 1 penny, and 1 nickel. The dollar bills are a dollar. The dimes are 10 cents. The quarter is 0.25 cents. The penny is 0.01, and the nickel is 0.05. Adding the quarter and nickel, you'd get 0.3. And the 2 dimes together are just 20 cents or 0.2. So let's add that together. Now we would have 50 cents or 0.5. But then we still have this penny, which is 0.51. And then we have a $2 bill. So that would be 251. And that's the answer for number three. Number four, we have 3 quarters, 1 dime, 2 dimes, and 1 penny. So this is the quarters are 0.25. Dimes are 10 cents or 0.1. And the penny is 1 cent, so 0.01. Adding the 3 quarters together, we'll do 25 times 3, which is 0.75. And then we have 2 dimes, so we add 20 cents. So that'd be 0.95. And then we still have this 1 penny here. So this 5, we add 1, so that'd be 0.96. Now moving on to filling in the table. Number one, we have $4. We have $4, and we're trying to find a value of 4.75 for all of these problems. So we know that we don't have any dimes, nickels, or pennies. So we have to get 75 cents from just quarters itself. And since quarters are 25 cents in value, and we're looking for 75, we need to find out how many times 25 goes into 75. And that is just 3. So 3 quarters would get 475. So number one is 3. Number two, we have $4 bills, 2 quarters, 1 nickel, and 0 pennies. So the value of what we have already is $4. 2 quarters is 50 cents. So that's 5. And 1 nickel, which is 5 cents. So we add another 5. And we're trying to get to 475 again. So let's subtract our value that we're looking for the value that we have. And that would be 20 cents. So 20 cents in dimes are 2 dimes. So that's number two. Number three, we have $4 bills, 2 quarters, no nickels, and 5 pennies. So we have $4, 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, and 5 pennies, This is the exact same value as the problem before because 5 pennies and 1 nickel are the same value. So we're going to have the same answer, which is 2 dimes. Number 4, we have 4 $1 bills, 1 quarter, and no nickels or pennies. So our value is 425, and we're trying to get to 475. The difference of that and that is 50 cents. And 1 dime is 10 cents. So 10 goes into 5, 10 goes into 50 5 times. So that's the answer to number 4. Number 5, we have $4 bills, 1 quarter, 4 dimes, and 1 nickel. And we're trying to get to 475 with just pennies. So this is 40 cents, 25, and 5. You add this all up, that would get us 70. And we still have this $4, so we have 470. Now getting to 475 with 470 through pennies, we just add 5 cents, which is 5 pennies, since the value of 1 penny is just 1 cent. Now moving on to using greater than, less than, or equal to compare the amounts of money. So whichever side is the greater value, that's the side that the sign is going to be facing. And for this section, we'll do all the odds. So number 1, we have $3, 2 quarters, 1 nickel. And on the other side, we have $2, 4 quarters, and 5 dimes. So this is $3. 2 quarters is 50 cents. And 1 nickel is 5 cents. You add this up, it's 355. We have $2, 4 quarters, which is $1, and 5 dimes, which is 50 cents. So when you add this up, it's $3.50. We can see that $3.55 is greater than $3.50. So the sign would be facing this way because this is greater. Number 3, $2, 2 dimes, 5 pennies. And on the other side is $1, 5 quarter, and 1 nickel. The $2 are $2. The 2 dimes are 10 cents each, so 20 cents or 0.20. The pennies are 5 cents, so 0.05. The dollar bill, 5 quarters is just 25 times 5, which is 125 cents or $1.25. And the nickel is just, we just have 1 nickel, so it's 0.05. So $2 plus 2 dimes plus 5 pennies, that would be 2.25 when you add this all up. Adding this side up, it would be 2.3. So this side is greater than, the right side is greater than the left side. So we'd use this sign. Number 5, $1, 5 nickels, and 20 pennies. And on the other side, it's 3 quarters and 3 dimes. So $1 is $1. 5 nickels is 5 times 5 cents, which is 25. 20 pennies are just 20 cents. 3 quarters are 25 times 3, so 75 cents. And 3 dimes are each 10 cents in value, so that's 10 times 3, which is 30 cents. $1 plus 25 cents plus 20 pennies is 1.45. And 75 cents plus 30 cents is $1.05. So the left side is greater than the right side. That means we would use this symbol.